Have you or a loved one ever suffered with heart problems such as hypertension, atherosclerosis, or congestive heart failure? Thankfully, times have changed and medicine has progressed very far, and we are excited to announce the grand reopening of Louisiana Heart Hospital and Medical Group. Louisiana Heart Hospital and Medical Group, we're located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We have a newly renovated facility, and we have such amazing ideas ahead of us. At the Louisiana Heart Hospital and Medical Group, we believe that we're here to help with the most complex heart problems. We adopt patients as well as their families into a loving family of our own. We believe that life is made not just to survive, but thrive. Some of our core values include fairness, inclusiveness, and love. Throughout this short presentation, we're going to go over some of our goals as a clinic. We're going to see who we are partnered with, what services we offer, such as physical therapy, dietitian advice, and physicians and medical treatment. We're going to see who works here, and we're also going to have a little tour of our brandly newly renovated facility. Here at Louisiana Heart Institute, we're partnered with Our Lady of the Lake Physicians Group, Baton Rouge General Hospital, Cardiology Institute of Baton Rouge, and Southern Medical Corporation. We believe in a collaborative approach to overall health. We believe that each of these four organizations play key roles in our patients' health. Our Lady of the Lake Physicians Group is one of our grounding facilities that we receive and send patients to. Baton Rouge General is a great location for our patients to get the overall help they need. Cardiology Institute of Baton Rouge is a great specialized clinic for our patients, and Southern Medical Corporation helps our patients keep track of their own health at home. We offer services such as physical therapy, dietary advice, personal training, medical treatment, and most importantly, empowerment. We believe that the mental and physical health of our patient both contribute to the overall experience in life that they receive. Once again, we don't just want our patients to survive, we want them to thrive. Here at Louisiana Heart Institute, we have a great team of very experienced professionals. We have physicians such as Dr. Bruce Atlid, Dr. Mian, and Dr. Richard Colon. We have therapists such as Miss Sharon Winter and Miss Vicki Amy. We have psychologists such as Miss Vanessa McConnell. We have a psychologist named Miss Karen Smith, and we even have dietitians to help with meal planning and meal prep. We have Miss Melanie Wilder and Miss Amber Odom. Each of these physicians, dietitians, therapists, and psychologists are highly skilled in their area of practice, and they are ready to help with every need you might have. We're now going to take a short tour of our newly renovated facility. We're just a jump, hop, and a skip away from the city of Baton Rouge. We are off of Essen Lane. Now we are right in the middle of the action, and thankfully we're blessed with a new facility. Thank you to all of our donors and our patients for making this happen. This is the front view of our facility, and it is a beautiful and wonderfully welcoming site for our patients to walk into. Next, we have our great waiting room. It's a comfortable way to share a little bit of time with your family and friends before you go and make your life better with our dietitians, physical therapists, and physicians. Next, here's just a little bit of a layout of our office. First, you may walk in here to the waiting room. And there you're going to be seen by our nurses right here, and then we may send you to our office, our workroom, or one of our 3 exam rooms. We also have a procedure room for a more extensive appointment that you may have. What really sets our clinic apart is our in-house gym and therapy suites. We have wonderful physical therapists that partner with our occupational therapists to make a wonderful and reasonable exercise plan and lifestyle changes for our patient. As you can see, we have a very renovated and newly technologically filled gym for our physical therapists to work hand in hand with our patients to improve their day-to-day lives. Now, don't think our fitness center just ends at a gym. We also have an in-house aqua center. We believe that this is a great way and a great incentive for our patients to make a happier, healthier lifestyle change. Our clinical exam rooms are very comfortable. Unlike a regular doctor's office, we don't want to be intimidating or seem sterile and unpersonality-like. We want you to feel at home with our clinic, and we believe that by incorporating you into our family, we're giving you a safe space to improve your health. Here at Louisiana Heart Hospital and Medical Group, our patients feel loved, recognized, and encouraged whenever they walk into our clinic. Your condition and health have the attention and priority of every staff member before you even walk through our doors. Your healthcare providers are knowledgeable, well-educated, and highly specialized to help you get back to optimal health. We have a large staff with a wide variety of experience, dealing with some of the most common and some of the most complex conditions. We welcome referrals from any physician and would love to work closely with our partners in other specialties as well. Our clinic promotes the public health of our town and community. A healthy, happy community is great for the economy and children that are growing up around us. Providing a happy and healthy community is one of our main priorities. We welcome any donations, whether that be of your time or money, in order to build a stronger, safer clinic and community. Thank you for listening about Louisiana Heart Hospital and Medical Group, where we don't want you to just survive. We want you to thrive.